In this video, I will show you how to download Google Home on your smart TV. If you find this video useful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to get or download Google Home on your smart TV, we are going to use this tool I use to download that. It's a very nice tool. If you don't have this tool on your Android TV or smart TV, check the description of this video to get the application on your smart TV. Once you get the application on your smart TV, just go ahead and launch it. And in the box here, you're going to type in Google Home. So as you type in Google Home, just come over to the search box here and click on Go. So once you click on Go, the downloader is going to show you the various places on the internet where you can download or install Google Home to your smart TV. And as you can see here, here's the best option that I recommend. You can also use this option here or this one up here, or you can scroll down for more options, but I recommend this option for your Android or smart TV. So you just have to try to locate the cursor to come over to to this keyword link here, and then click on that, and it's going to lead you to where you can get the application to your smart TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.